Hey guys, this is Darron. You're about to watch a video from my full stack React Native course on Udemy. The course has a total of 5 projects ranging from beginner to expert. You will learn everything from styling to Redux to Node.js to Mongo Atlas to authentication. I am posting half of each project on YouTube. And if you like what you see, you can view the rest of the course on Udemy. And make sure you use the promo code GeekMODE. Take care. Okay guys, now let's get started. Open your terminal and change your directory to your desktop and navigate to your course projects folder. Within your course projects folder, run the command react-native init cosmos. Once your project is finished building, change your directory to Cosmos. Once you're in your project folder, run the command npm start. Open another tab. We're going to open our project directory. Within your iOS folder, click on Cosmos Xcode project. Now let's open our application emulator. Now that our application is running on our iOS emulator, let's do the same thing in Android Studio. Open Android Studio. Click Open New Project. Navigate to your desktop, Course Projects, Cosmos, Android, and click Open. After your application has finished syncing, click on the AVD Manager and choose a device and press play. Once your Android emulator is finished loading, within Android Studio, press play. Select your emulator, press OK. Awesome. And now we have our application running on both our iOS and Android emulators.